ABC News World Headquarters in New York. This is World News Tonight. With
just announced on all vehicles coming into the U.S. The detailed text messages at the heart of that stunning national security breach now made public, and what President Trump said late today, and the urgent search for 4 American soldiers lost in a training exercise overseas. First, the messages now revealed. The Atlantic magazine releasing the detailed text in that group chat of top American officials outlining specific plans to hit terror targets using military jets hours before the strikes in Yemen. A reporter inadvertently invited to join. Tonight, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth defiant. President Trump standing behind his national security team. Martha Raddatz in Washington. President Trump pushing forward with stiff new tariffs targeting the auto industry. Rachel Scott with late details just coming in. 4 American soldiers from Fort Stewart, Georgia, now missing after a training mission in Lithuania. The search efforts underway. Their 70-ton tracked vehicle found submerged in a body of water.
The California governor has issued an earthquake warning for a magnitude of 7.5. This will affect the whole state of California. Follows all the rules mentioned on this alert, step 1 if you are on a high building, go to your nearest low floor and follow the second step.
People on social media believe something that is not true and never existed. This is called the Mandela effect. When something does not exist, but people believe it. This is what is happening. Some on the internet are not real. Even the alerts are no longer safe. For example, if there are 2 pictures, many people think that one is right and one is wrong. But the problem is the opposite. One is wrong and one is right. See the difference. The United States government has issued a shelter-in-place warning for all 50 states. The Mandela effect keeps spreading in the United States country. In the next few hours, stay indoors. The United States government has issued a law enforcement and a shelter-in place for all 50 states. Turn off all televisions. The United States is under attack. Remember, stay indoors, lock all doors and windows. This is not a test. This is not a Mandela effect. Turn off all televisions now. The following script is not made to be by the United States government. This is a Mandela effect MP4. Please have precaution on nightmares. Thank you.